In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail not filtering spam. This guide will help you improve your Gmail experience and ensure that unwanted emails stay out of your inbox. To begin, let's focus on marking emails as spam. This is a crucial step that helps Gmail learn which messages are unwanted. First, open Gmail. You will see your inbox filled with various emails. Now find the spam email or emails that you want to report. Once you have selected them, look for the Report Spam button, which is represented by an exclamation mark icon. Click on it. This action sends valuable feedback to Gmail, enabling it to enhance future spam detection. By marking emails as spam, you contribute to a cleaner inbox. This step is significant because it helps Gmail's algorithms become smarter over time. Once that is done, let's check your filters. Sometimes a filter may inadvertently send spam emails directly to your inbox. To begin this process, open Gmail again. This time, look for the gear icon in the upper right corner, which represents Settings. Click on it, then select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. You will be taken to a new page with various options. Next, navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. This is where you can see all the filters that you have set up in Gmail. Review each filter carefully. Look for any filters that may be incorrectly moving spam messages into your inbox. This is a common issue that can easily be overlooked. If you find a filter that is sending spam your way, you can either edit it or delete it entirely. Making these adjustments ensures that your filters work effectively to keep your inbox clean. After you have reviewed your filters, it is essential to save any changes you make. This ensures your updates are applied and helps Gmail filter your emails correctly moving forward. You will see a confirmation appear once your changes are saved. This step is vital because it reinforces your settings, allowing Gmail to function optimally. Now, let's recap what we've done so far. By marking emails as spam, you provide Gmail with the necessary feedback to improve its filtering system. Then, by checking your filters, you ensure that none are misdirecting spam to your inbox. These actions are simple yet powerful in enhancing your email experience. Next up, consider regularly checking your spam folder. Gmail does a great job of filtering spam, but it's a good idea to verify that nothing important gets lost. Open Gmail and locate the spam folder on the left side of the screen. Click on it to review any emails marked as spam. If you find any legitimate emails that have been incorrectly filtered, you can mark them as not spam. This action helps Gmail understand your preferences better. After reviewing your spam folder, keep in mind to routinely update your filters. As your email habits change, so should your filters. Regular updates will help maintain an organized inbox and ensure that spam doesn't slip through the cracks. With that ready, you should now have a clearer strategy for managing spam in Gmail. Remember, the key to effective email management lies in actively engaging with the tools Gmail provides. By marking spam and checking your filters consistently, you contribute to a more efficient email environment. In conclusion, these steps are designed to help you take control of your inbox. With a little effort, you can minimize unwanted emails and focus on what truly matters. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.